Welcome to this meditation with Peaceful Ren. Tonight, we're going to practice letting go of the day that has passed, allowing your mind and body to settle into a state of peaceful rest. This is your time to release any tension, worries, or lingering thoughts from today, and prepare yourself for a restorative night's sleep. Find a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Whatever feels most supportive for you right now. Let your eyes gently close or soften your gaze downward, and begin to notice your breath. There's nothing you need to change or fix. Simply observe the natural rhythm of your breathing. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the soft expansion and release of your belly. With each exhale, allow yourself to settle a little deeper into this moment, into this space of calm and quiet. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale through your mouth, let out any stress or tension you've been carrying from today. Breathe in peace, and breathe out anything that no longer serves you. One more time. A deep, cleansing breath in, and a long, releasing breath out. Now, let your breathing return to its natural rhythm, and begin to scan through your body, starting from the top of your head. Notice your scalp, your forehead, allowing any furrows or tension to smooth away. Let your eyes rest comfortably, your jaw soften and release. Feel your neck and shoulders, these areas that often hold so much of our daily stress. With each breath, invite them to soften, to let go of the weight they've been carrying. Let this wave of relaxation flow down through your arms, into your hands, and feel them become heavy and relaxed by your sides. Now bring your attention to your chest and heart space. This is where we often hold our emotions from the day. Breathe into this area, and, with loving kindness, thank your heart for all it has felt today. Let any emotional residue from today dissolve with each gentle breath. Feel your ribcage expanding and softening, your back releasing and lengthening. Let this calm energy flow into your abdomen, your lower back, feeling supported and at ease. Notice your hips, your thighs, your knees, each part of your body receiving this invitation to rest and restore. Feel the relaxation moving down through your calves, your ankles, all the way to your feet. Your entire body now feels heavy, comfortable, completely supported. Now, let's take a moment to consciously release the day that has passed. Imagine that with each exhale, you're letting go of any conversations that didn't go as planned, any moments of stress or frustration, any tasks left undone. These things belong to today, and today is now complete. You did your best with the energy and awareness you had, and that is enough. Breathe out any need to replay or perfect the events of today. With each exhale, feel yourself becoming lighter, more free. Now, imagine yourself surrounded by a warm, golden light. This is the light of forgiveness and acceptance. Let it wash over you, through you, dissolving any harsh judgments you might be holding about yourself or your day. You are exactly where you need to be. You have learned what you needed to learn, and tomorrow is a fresh beginning. Feel this golden light settling around you like a soft blanket, protecting your peace, nurturing your spirit as you prepare for rest. With each breath, you sink deeper into tranquility, deeper into trust that all is well. Your mind becomes quiet, your thoughts slow and gentle, like clouds drifting across an evening sky. If any thoughts about tomorrow try to arise, simply notice them with kindness, and let them drift away like those soft clouds. Tonight is for rest, for restoration, for allowing your system to reset and renew. Feel gratitude for your body, for carrying you through another day, for your breath, for your beating heart, for this moment of peace you've created for yourself. You are safe. You are loved. You are enough exactly as you are. As we begin to close this meditation, take one more deep breath, feeling completely relaxed and at peace. Know that this sense of calm travels with you into your sleep, that your body knows how to rest and restore, and that tomorrow you will wake refreshed and renewed. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a soft, deep breath, and slowly return to the present moment, carrying this peace with you into your evening and into your dreams. Thank you for sharing this time of quiet and rest. May you sleep deeply and peacefully tonight.